A new crypto coin has arrived that is going to revolutionize the crypto industry. It's called FutureCoin. FutureCoin is a safer and more stable virtual coin, backed by 10 companies sustained and stabilized by the projects behind it with real financial results. Coin holders will receive dividends from the companies in which FutureCoin is a majority stakeholder. This is a game changer. We use a cross-chain transfer technology where we connect BEP20 Binance Smart Chain and ERC20 blockchains together. And for this, FutureCoin is more than a simple token at the moment. But soon they will launch TradeLink, a revolutionary new blockchain. TradeLink is 1,000 times faster than the blockchain. Transactions are made instantly with increased network security, anonymization of transactions, connection to all existing platforms, and elimination of all taxes. TradeLink is different from blockchain, but with the same purpose and mission as DeFi. FutureCoin will launch an exchange based on crypto coins and listed shares, where you can buy shares on the stock exchange through FutureCoin. The first 100% decentralized browser, and the first virtual bank dedicated to digital currencies, with all the options of a physical bank and many other projects that you will discover in the white paper. FutureCoin is meant to offer investors the ability to invest in the future. Investors will see financial data on all the projects behind it with 100% transparency, and they will be rewarded with a percentage of the profits coming from the launched projects. FutureCoin is faster, no fees, and FutureCoin is much more stable and secure with the option of smart contract through Link 100. It's highly scalable with full decentralization. It's more efficient using minimal computing efforts and no mining. And FutureCoin will be 100% secure through the upcoming TradeLink system. FutureCoin is ready to disrupt the crypto world with the most stable coin on the market that will earn even more as project profits are added to the coin's market cap, with dividends going directly to FutureCoin holders. FutureCoin aims to hold a substantial part of market segments, which in total are estimated to be valued at over $4 trillion by 2030. The coin of the future is here. Read the white paper and learn more at www.e-futurecoin.com.